This car is so rare that every time you get in it to start it, the car will remind you that this is only one of 175 cars in the United States. And this, of course, is a Mercedes-Benz SL65 AMG Black Series. This car is very different than a typical Mercedes-Benz SL, so let's talk about it. These fenders, those are carbon fiber. This roof, it is fixed. Every other SL is a hardtop convertible, which is awesome because they had a lot of problems with those convertible tops. Also, another problem was the ABC suspension, the hydraulic suspension. Well, we're not going to have problems with that either, because this is a coilover suspension. As we open the hood, we're seeing more carbon fiber. The trunk, same thing. The lid is made of carbon fiber, and another interesting fact about the trunk lid, it has these electric over hydraulic motors, and what do? Well, they drive the active rear spoiler. In fact, it's not working. That's why it's here today. Now, this engine is a twin turbo V12 with 661 horsepower. So behind the grille and under here is lots of coolers to keep that thing nice and cool. Now, if you look right here, there's an air dam, one on each side. The air routes through here, through this tube, and keeps the rotors nice and cool. Well, there's a secondary dam right here, which directs air into the calipers. Now let's take a look at the suspension. It has adjustable end links. Like, how crazy is that? From the factory. And of course, these are the coilovers that we talked about earlier. They're adjustable. This is the only car that I have ever seen an external differential pump pumping fluid through two coolers from the factory. These coolers, they're mini coolers. They also have these little rock guards on the front of it. I don't know about you guys, but this car makes me go from 6 to midnight.